we're going to graft this apple red Astran onto M102 rootstock. So what I like to do is try and find somewhere to match the sky onto the rootstock. So we're looking somewhere around here to try and don't want to let in there, so we'll go in below that. Just cut that off. So you'll try and stay away from the bud because you won't get it even. What you're looking for is a nice flat, even cut. And then we get a bit of skywood and we do the same. Different ways of holding the budwood. Some like to do it this way, some like to do it the first way. It's up to you and how. As you see, I haven't cut that bit of deadwood off, so you just need to trim that off. And just make sure that's flat as well. Then we just check. As you can see, I haven't done a very good job there. They don't match up. So what we'll do is just come back to this one and if you get any bits on it, like you see that, just take them off because you don't want dead bits in your graft if you can help it. So now we've done that, and that's much better. So yeah, traditionally you come down about a third on the rootstock, which is about there, and then on your skyron piece of wood about halfway. All you're doing now is mashing those two tongues together, pushing them together until you can see the cambium layers line up. So you've got that, and then the other side, and then from there we just tape it up and probably cut it off here, ready to go.